Can learning network automation actually gets you a 10 lakh plus salary in 2026, or the internet is just overhyping another tech trend? Let's break down the reality salaries, job opportunities, and whether this skill is actually worth your time. Right now, companies don't want just network engineers, they want engineers who can automate networks. That means instead of manually configuring hundreds of devices, you use tools like Python, Ansible, APIs, and automation platform to do the work faster, smarter, and with fewer errors. And honestly, this role is growing very fast. Now let's talk about the part everyone cares about, salary. If you are just starting out in network automation, you can expect somewhere around 4 to 8 LPA. With few years of experience and solid automation skills, that can jump to around 8 to 15 LPA. And for advanced network engineers working on enterprise infrastructure, cloud networking, or DevNet roles, packages can go from 15 LPA to 25 LPA or even higher. Globally, salaries are even bigger, typically between 25 lakh to 40 lakh plus per year, depending on the experience and skill set. Automation skills often push network engineers into higher salary brackets much faster than traditional networking roles. Now let's look at the kind of job roles companies are actively hiring for. Network automation engineer, DevNet engineers, network engineers with automation skills, infrastructure automation engineer, cloud and network automation roles, and the demand is only increasing because every company today wants faster deployment, fewer outages, and scalable infrastructure. So, who should actually learn network automation? If you are a network engineer preparing for networking job roles or even working in entry level IT roles, then this skill can seriously level up your career, especially if you want better salary, faster career growth, and future proof skills that stay relevant in AI and cloud era. So, is the network automation worth learning in 2026? Absolutely yes. If you are confused about where to start, watch my network automation roadmap video first. That will give you a complete step-by-step path. And comment salary below if you want full roadmap to become network automation engineer.